Hey there! Listen up! I've got a mind-blowing tale to share. Get ready to be amazed. I recently pocketed a cool $500 just by kicking back and watching TikTok videos. I know it might sound too good to be true, but stick around and I'll walk you through exactly how I made it happen. Before we go any further into this video, welcome to Cash Money Ideas. Here, we will show you the most up-to-date making money online ideas, tips, and tricks. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment below. We would love to hear your thoughts. Now let's get back to the video. Alright, here's the scoop. You're looking at a sweet $4 for each TikTok video you tune into. Watch a pair? That's $8 easy. Binge on 4 videos and you're savoring a scrumptious $16. And brace yourself because we're not talking chump change. You could be hauling an impressive $600 or even more just by keeping those vids playing. So, the first step is to head over to TikTok. Just hit up the search bar and type in viral funny videos. These videos are raking in millions of views, most even topping 10 million, showing they're super popular. People can't get enough of them. In a bit, I'll show you the scoop on turning these videos into cash. Now, the next thing is to pick a video you like from the bunch. Let's say I choose this one here. Looks like a winner. Watch the whole thing to make sure it's good. If it's not your jam, no sweat. Just try another. Focus on the videos you enjoy because if you like them, chances are others will too. For example, let's roll with this one. It's got solid views and likes. Once you've seen the video, grab a screenshot. I'm doing this on my computer, but it works on smartphones too. Check out the screenshot I took from the video. Pretty cool, right? Also, don't think you're limited to only viral funny videos like I'm showing here. This is just a taste of the process. You can apply this strategy to any video type. The key is loads of views. TikTok's a goldmine for that stuff. Stick to high-demand videos with millions of views. No duds allowed. If you're stumped on what else to search, Google's got your back. Look up the hottest TikTok niches for inspo. Now, give one of these search results a click. For example, let's check out this one. Scroll a bit and bingo! You could search for funny dances or even venture into dark comedy territory. The possibilities are endless. After the screenshot, jump over to canva.com. By the way, you can do this from anywhere as long as you've got an internet connection and a device. Create an account if you haven't already. It's easy peasy. Hit create a design, then custom size, and punch in 1080 by 1920. Click create new design. Now start with uploads to add your screenshot. Click here, select the image from your device and let it upload. Drag it onto the page and arrange it however you like. Resize it if needed. Keep it simple for now. Next, tap into Elements. Drop this shape onto your image. If you want, change the color, but for now, I'll stick with this one. Resize it, we'll be adding text on it. Hit the text icon, grab Add a Heading, and put it on this shape. Type in "Oh my god, viral video." Change the font if you feel fancy. I'm going with Anton. Switch the text color to white. Just one more step. Head back to Elements and search for a play button. Stick one in the middle. Time to nab that image. Hit share, then download. Bingo! Image secured. In the next step, I'll show you how we work the magic, turning this image and TikTok video into cash. See these payment proofs? Folks are raking in cash daily with this method. This dude snagged $5 today, this gal scored 6, and this person got 10. And if you're still here, drop your country below. Before we continue, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. If you loved the video so far and found the content interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Now let's get back to the video. Alright, let's talk business. Say hello to your new partner in profit, Pinterest. This is where the TikTok video and our image come into play for online moolah. Pinterest is swamped with visitors, especially in the US. First, sign up. Once done, hit Create and select Create Pin. Double-click to upload your image. Put in the title of your TikTok video. I'm using Crazy Monkey. Add Watch Now too. Skip the second line, it's not that crucial. Now, it's time for the link. Here's the tricky part. Pinterest users will click your link to see the video, but if you drop the TikTok link, you won't make money. I'll show you how to make sure every click counts. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up. For the money-making link, visit shrinkme.io. Start by registering. Fill out your info, prove you're human, and hit register. Verify your email and log in. Here's the dashboard. Minimum withdrawals $5, and they offer various payment methods like Bitcoin or PayPal. Now go back to the homepage. Click New Shortened Link and paste your TikTok link. I'll use mine. Hit Shorten. Copy this link and paste it on Pinterest. Before you publish, create a board. Hit Create a Board, name it, and click Create. Hit Publish and you're golden. If Pinterest gives you problems, use Linktree as a bridge. It'll transform your Shrink Me link into something Pinterest-friendly. There you go. Anyone clicking on your shrinkme.io link puts money in your pocket. If you love this Make Money Online video and found the content interesting and informative, please like and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. And press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to subscribe to Cash Money Ideas. See you in the next video!